In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Google Calendar Sync. If you want to turn records from Airtable into Google Calendar events automatically, this process is a simple and reliable way to do it. The goal is to connect your Airtable data to Google Calendar so that important dates, meetings, deadlines, or scheduled items can appear on your calendar without needing to enter everything manually. Start by opening the Airtable base that contains the records you want to turn into calendar events. Before you connect anything, take a moment to review your table and make sure the information is organized clearly. This will make the setup much easier and help avoid mistakes later. Next, confirm that your Airtable table includes a date or time field. This is essential because Google Calendar needs a clear date, and in many cases a time as well, in order to create an event correctly. If your records only have text and no proper date field, the automation may not know when to place the event on the calendar. Once that is ready, choose an automation platform to handle the connection. You can use a tool like Make, Zapier, or Airtable automation, depending on what you prefer and what fits your workflow. These tools act as the bridge between Airtable and Google Calendar, allowing information to move automatically from one platform to the other. After that, connect Airtable by selecting the correct base and table. Be careful to choose the exact table that contains the records you want to sync. If your base has multiple tables, selecting the wrong one can lead to confusion or incorrect calendar entries. Then connect Google Calendar by signing in and choosing the calendar where the events should appear. If you manage multiple calendars, it is a good idea to double check that you are sending the events to the right one, especially if you separate personal, team, or project schedules. Now map the event details. This is the part where you match your Airtable fields to the Google Calendar event fields, such as the event title, date, time, and description. Make sure each field is matched carefully so the event appears with the correct information. Clear mapping is what makes the automation useful and accurate. Once everything is mapped, run a test to create or update a Google Calendar event. Testing helps you confirm that the title looks right, the timing is correct, and the description appears as expected. If something looks off, this is the best time to adjust it before the automation goes live. Finally, turn on the sync by activating the automation. From that point on, your Airtable records can automatically create or update Google Calendar events, helping you save time and keep your schedule aligned with your data.